So hi, I'm making this video is to answer your question on my Instagram or some comment on YouTube. Does it fade the Ecoprint? Is that okay with the color? How to wash the Ecoprint? So in here, I would like to show you when I wash my Ecoprint. I start with the water. It's just a plain water. I'm not using any chemical detergent. Maybe it just wash on the spot directly if there are any dirt things on the fabric. And for your information, in Indonesia we use lerak for washing any natural dyes fabric like batik, jumputans or shibori, handwoven fabric and more. Actually, lerak is kind like fruit seeds. It's a traditional natural zero waste washing agent to keep the color long lasting of the natural dyes fabric. And some shop here is so ready to use lerak liquid, so I'm just add some on the water because on lerak is contains saponins, a toxic alkaloid that produce foam and work as a washing agent. Saponin work as a surfactants that can lift stain, oil and dirt from the fabric while in the water, but still keep the natural color dyes long lasting. But here I'm not use any lerak. And if you don't have lerak like me, you can use hair shampoo instead to wash your Ecoprint. And here I'm using shampoo just a bit.